Hi guys, myself Rohit and you're watching Mobile Judge. Today in this video we're going to discuss about the best smartphones under every price segment under 30,000. I have divided this under 30,000 price segment into 5 segments like under 10,000 segment and under 15,000, under 20,000, under 25,000 and under 30,000. So if you're going to buy a particular smartphone which is best at the particular price segment, watch this video until the end. So you're going to get a clarity on the particular smartphone you're gonna pick on it. Especially these picks are based on value for money. Mostly I will be picking a smartphone which is giving a every worth to your penny spending on it. So let's get into this video. Coming to the under 10,000 rupees price segment, which is the best smartphone out there, means Redmi 9 Prime is recently launched, which is a best smartphone out there offering with the great specs. And especially under this price segment, there is no smartphone which offers a full HD plus display. Redmi 9 Prime offers a 6.53 inch full HD plus IPS LCD display, and it offers a MediaTek Helio G80 processor, which is a gaming oriented processor, and a battery of 5000 mAh battery which supports 18 watts fast charging, but they are shipping 10 watts charger in the box. So if you like to purchase this under 10,000 rupees, go ahead. I will be providing the link in the description so you can buy from out there. So coming to the next category, under 15,000 rupees price segment, there are two smartphones out there which are outperforms every other smartphone at that price range. Smartphones are, one is a non-Chinese smartphone and another is a pure Chinese smartphone. The non-Chinese smartphone is a Samsung Galaxy M21, which offers great specs under 15,000 and a great brand value. Like it offers a 6000 mAh battery and a Exynos 9611 processor. The processor is not recommended for the long session of gamings, but still it is capable of making a day-to-day task very easy and clean. So you can prefer it, and it is coming with a Samsung's One UI 2.0, which is also a clean OS without any ads, and the camera sensors and everything the Samsung is offering very good at this particular price range under 15,000. And another smartphone is Realme 6i, which is recently launched, which is having a MediaTek Helio G90T processor, which is gaming oriented processor. If you are a gamer, and go for this particular smartphone under 15,000 rupees price segment. And it also has IPS LCD display which is having a high refresh rate of 90 Hz. So if you're a gamer, you can go for this, which offers a 4300 mAh battery and it supports 30 watts fast charging, but still they are shipping 20 watts fast charging in their box. So coming to the next category, under 20,000 price segment, which is the best smartphone out there here. Everybody is confused, right? So I have picked here a single smartphone which is going to outperform every other smartphone out here, and it's nothing but Poco X2. It outperforms every smartphone under 20k price segment. It is the best value for money with 120 Hz refresh rate, IPS LCD display, 4500 mAh battery and 27 watts fast charging, and 64 megapixel Sony IMX686 flagship level camera sensor. So this smartphone is a pure value for money. If you want to purchase it right now, you can go for this, or else if you are ready to wait, there is another smartphone which is going to be launching this September, around September 3rd I think. So Realme 7 series is going to launch. If you are ready to wait for that, then you should be waiting for that, because Realme offering a great specs with that. There are many leaks and rumors, so it's better to wait and see whether it's a good performer or not. Then you can go for a Poco X2 if the Realme 7 series is not satisfying your needs. At 25,000 rupees price segment, there is a one smartphone which has nailed the entire price segment, that is OnePlus Nord, which offers the Oxygen OS 11 on board and Snapdragon 765 5G processor, 4150 mAh battery with 30 watts rapid charge 30T. OnePlus is offering a great value for money, especially the particular price 24,999, which is for the 6GB and 64GB variant, is launching in September. If you're ready to buy it, go for it, or if you are not ready for that, there is another option, that's Realme X3. I don't recommend it, because the OnePlus offerings is great at this price range, particularly under 25,000. You can go for the OnePlus Nord without any doubt, okay, because of the clean UI and the software experience, the 90 Hz refresh rate, Super AMOLED display. OnePlus is excellent, I could say. Rather than Realme X3 is offering a 120 Hz IPS LCD display. Any day if you ask me to pick a 90 Hz AMOLED or 120 Hz IPS LCD, definitely I would pick a 90 Hz AMOLED display, especially the OnePlus device. So guys, choose yourself. Don't go for Realme X3 or Realme X3 Super Zoom, whatever the things they're offering. Better go for a OnePlus Nord, which offers a long-term software updates and security updates. So if you're planning to buy a smartphone under 25,000, OnePlus Nord will be the best option. Coming to the next price segment, under 30,000 rupees price segment, which is the best smartphone out there. If you ask me to pick a one particular smartphone which nailed the entire price segment, is Realme X2 Pro. Recently the offers had made it available under 30,000 rupees. The phone is excellent. It offers 6GB 64GB variant under a price of 28,999. If you use a HDFC card or Axis Bank card, you could get a some more amount of discount, so you could get the phone under 28,000 around. So this is the best smartphone which offers a Snapdragon 855 plus processor with 90Hz Super AMOLED display and 64 megapixel primary sensors, and it's a flagship killer. Flagship killer is a flagship killer, so you're gonna get every experience with it. These are my best 5 picks under every price segment from 10,000 rupees Redmi 9 Prime and 15,000 rupees Realme 6i and Samsung Galaxy M21. And coming to the under 20,000 price segment, it's Poco X2, or if you're ready to wait, go check out Realme 7 series when it's going to be launched. I'm gonna provide description in the link. If they are launched under a price of 20,000, definitely I'm gonna give the link. And coming to the 25,000 rupees price range, OnePlus Nord nails the entire price segment. No other option out there, only OnePlus Nord. Okay, when coming to the 30,000 rupees price segment, there is OnePlus Nord and a higher variant, and Realme X2 Pro. If you ask me to pick one of those, because the build qualities for OnePlus Nord are not up to the mark of 30k rupees. If you spend on it, it's not valuable for 30k. The build quality is not so good. I would definitely pick a Realme X2 that's having a great build quality with aluminum panel and glass body production. So I choose Realme X2 as best smartphone at 30,000 right now. If you want to buy it right now, if you are ready to wait, better wait until the September ends, and then I'm going to make another list that would satisfy your needs, because there are many smartphones which are ready to launch in the September. So guys, if you like this video, click the like button down there, and if you haven't shared my videos until now, please do share. Many of guys need this information. Please do share to your family and friends. And later on, if you haven't subscribed my channel until now, go down there is subscribe button, click that subscribe button and click the bell icon. Whenever I post a new video, you're gonna get a notification and you're gonna watch it immediately, right? I know you will watch it, so click the bell icon, please. Okay, and I forgot to mention, I need your valuable suggestions, so please do comment below. Thank you so much.